Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, we have so many stocks today and we are back with swing trading. Okay, so we are back with it. So let's start with Nifty now. Nifty, as we planned, it did take a good support from this trend line. Okay, if you guys see, this is a good trend line which it has taken a good support, and after that it went up and this trend line is broken, which is totally fine. I'm still holding on to this trade. Now I'm little above cost to cost, but I'm holding this trade. It's because Nifty looks positive to me. I don't see any negativity in Nifty, at least as of now. Okay, so I won't be adding any new positions here, but it looks pretty decent. So let me just clear this. Okay, if it crosses above this level, that is 22,180 and above, I'll be adding a small position. Okay, small quantity and be holding it. Okay, selling, no, nothing as of now. We are going to hold this trade. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you guys see, it did not give us any level, so we did not enter at all. Tomorrow again, if it breaches, okay, see, this is a very good place. Okay, it is on a sideways market, which is really good. After this market, we can see market taking a position, taking a direction. It can go up or down. Here is where we should be very happy that market is going sideways, and here is where you're not supposed to give frequent stop losses and give losses. Okay, yeah, if it crossed your level, you enter once, hit your stop loss, come back to the consolidation zone, you stay away from the market. You don't try to play around in the box. Okay, so here if it crosses 47,050 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. It should be a strong closing for me. Only then I'll be looking forward to buy it. Till then I don't have any trades in Bank Nifty. Okay, next is US oil. US oil, what happened? We shorted it here yesterday. Exactly at this point we shorted it, hit a stop loss 14 points. Then again I shorted it here. Okay, on this candle I shorted, but I had 30 points of stop loss here. Yeah, this is how it was, because I shorted it here in this candle. Yeah, this is how it was. I did achieve a 1:1.5. okay, and I exited. I did not hold the trade for any long, because as you guys see, this is a consolidation zone. That was the only reason, and this was a good support, so I exited here. Okay, now I don't have any trades as of now, but this looks like we will definitely looking forward for another rejection from this level. This is a good place to sell, but it should become a red candle and I'll be shorting it again. Okay, so on the very next candle, let's see, if possible we'll short it. That is $80 and $81.30 and below, I'll be shorting it. If it crosses $81.70 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Nothing before that. Next is gold. Gold, I entered here, hit a stop loss. Now I exited it already. I'm waiting for this level to breach now. So if it breaches anywhere about 2195 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. My first target will be 2206. Okay, and below this swing will be my first stop loss. The stop loss is at 2190. Okay, and we have 6 stocks for swing trading, which is really good. I'm looking forward to trade all these. Let's get onto volumes. Okay, so if you guys see, this is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance was coming downside. It was on a very good downtrend. Now after a small consolidation, it started going up. This is a very solid support line for this, okay, which has been breached already. Okay, it's been breached. So if I get a price of 7025 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my first target will be at 7772, and my stop loss will be below the candle. Okay, that is 6865 something. Okay, next is Zen. Zensar Technologies also on a very good level. This is on a weekly time frame, this was a very solid resistance. It has been broken now. So these small candles, yes, this matters a lot. So if I get a price of 595 to 615, I'll be looking forward to buy this, and my stop loss will be at 575. Okay, next one is Kirloskar. Kirloskar was on a downtrend and it consolidated here. Now it's up. So this is not a very important place to buy, because simple thing is we don't see any volumes also here. Just keep this in your watch list. This is just a suggestion. Keep this in your watch list because the stock is in an uptrend. Okay. Then we have Aurobindo Pharma. Wow, Aurobindo Pharma looks really good. If you guys see on a weekly time frame, this is a very good resistance, and in this resistance has given a very big green candle. Okay, on a daily time frame, if you see, I know there are no volumes, but it's totally fine. This is a trend line which is got breached, So I will be entering here, and this will be my stop loss. That is, I'll be entering at 1070 or 1075, and my stop loss will be at 1030. Okay, next is LT. LT is at its good level. This is its recent resistance, so it is getting some rejection from there. If I get a price above 3750, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and the stop loss will be depending on the candle, the last candle. Okay, but keep this in your watch list. Next is pinned. I'm extremely interested, guys. Simply it's because look at the volumes, guys. This is a trend line. It has breached with a very small candle. I know this is not a very strong candle, but look at this volume. The volume is extremely high here. So if I get a price of 3390 to 3890 to 3823, I'll be definitely buying it. Yeah, 3828, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it. So let me just confirm the levels again. So from the price of 3830 to 3890, okay, this is the price range I'm looking forward to. If I buy it, if I get this price, I'll be definitely buying it, and my stop loss will be at 3735. Okay, so this is a stock which I'm definitely entering tomorrow, simply because of this huge volume, this green huge volume, which is really good. And let me just plot this and see. Yeah, it's an uptrend, guys, so it's totally fine, at least according to me, because we have a set of rules. Okay, we properly follow our stop losses, we properly follow our risk management. See, I'll show you how the risk management is done. Go to risk management sheets. This has been provided to you guys already. So if I get a price of 38, let's keep it like if I get a price of 3855, okay, that is 3855, and the stop loss is at 3735. So only 8 quantities I'm supposed to buy, not more than that. Only 8 quantities for 1000 rupees risk. Okay, so this kind of trade, I'll be buying around only 17 quantities. This is a maximum I can go on one stock. It's because I trade with a smaller capital. I don't risk a lot, in the sense, it's not like I don't risk a lot, until unless I don't get a good conviction, I don't. Yeah, I try to catch big trends, so for me it works. So this is how we do the risk management. So for me, I have to buy only 17 quantity tomorrow, so I'll be buying it here. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was informative. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe, and do follow us on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook. We are really starting soon, and I'm gonna teach everybody on a very good way, and many things are upcoming in this channel. So please like, share and subscribe, and support as much as possible, and share it. Please watch the video fully, so the YouTube actually starts recommending the video to other people. And I hope I'm giving you guys valuable content. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.